A reliable replacement charger ensures safe, fast charging, protecting your MacBook Pro from overheating and power surges. It maintains battery health, prevents downtime, and offers compatibility for seamless productivity and long-term device performance. My today's video is about top 5 best replacement charger for MacBook Pro that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Silicon V MacBook Pro Charger Replacement. The Silicon V MacBook Pro Charger Replacement is an affordable MacBook Pro charger replacement. It has an LED light so you can tell when your notebook is being charged and when it's done. If you run into any issues with your charger, our customer service team is available around the clock to help you resolve any problems you may experience. Overall, we feel Silicon V MacBook Pro charger replacement is a solid option if you want an affordable replacement charger for your MacBook Pro. Just make sure to review the specifications closely and note that it might not be as resilient as some other devices. Now our second product is NECTEC USB-C wall charger station. This charger is a desktop charger. Rather than hugging the power socket, it has a 1M extension cable that lets you plug it into the wall but bring the USB outputs themselves up to a more accessible area on the desk. Having 5 USB outputs in all, this is the ideal device if you have multiple devices to charge. 4 of the 5 ports are full-size USB-As, rated at 12W, while the device's maximum output with all ports in use is 111W. This charger can charge any USB-C device at top speed with the power delivery port, 87W maximum power, with smart technology. The 4 power ports intelligently recognize your device to boost charging speeds up to 2.4A. It also offers a simultaneous charge for your laptop, tablets, smartphones, and other mobile devices for everyone, and it is compatible with most laptops and smartphones. This charger has advanced safety with multi-protection like surge protection, temperature control, and more, which lets you charge with total peace of mind. With its compact design and 100 to 240 volt input, this charger is ideal for travel anywhere in the world. Our third product is SyncWire PD30W USB-C charger. This super small USB-C wall charger takes up less space and is convenient for you to carry. The 30W power delivery keeps things simple with a single USB-C output for charging. There's also support for PPS and a sleek, compact design that is easily portable. This charger has GON technology. GON components waste less power and produce less heat, which transfers a more efficient charge, and makes the SyncWire wall charger small but powerful. This charger has enhanced protection, integrated overvoltage, overheating, and short-circuit protection to keep connected devices safe. Now number 4, HUTEC USB-C charger. This 20W USB-C PD wall charger uses power delivery, PD, to provide you with max 20W output power. This charger charges your USB Type-C phone or tablet up to 50% in just 30 minutes. It is built with high-grade fireproof PC materials to protect it against overheating and smart IC technology to maximize charging efficiency. PD 3.0 wall charger with strict control tests ensures that it is safe charging and offers great protection systems against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. This charger is compact, lightweight, portable, stylish, easy to store, and perfect for travel. And our last choice is Anker 60W GON and PIQ USB-C charger. Known for being the best travel charger, this charger by Anker is surely designed for travel with an ultra-compact design that supports simultaneous laptop charging and interchangeable plugs for use in the US, UK, and Europe. This charger can charge up to 2 laptops simultaneously with a combined 60W output over 2 USB-C ports, which allow for high-speed charging of up to 2 laptops simultaneously. The charger is designed to intermittently detect the power needs of connected devices and to identify the optimum power allocation. This charger is equipped with an exclusive PowerIQ 3.0 technology to ensure flawless compatibility with virtually all mobile devices including phones, tablets, and USB-C laptops. It also has an exclusive multi-protect safety system that combines a wide variety of features including high voltage protection, temperature control, and more for a safer charging experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.